Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aviation for GK. In this video, we will be discussing how does the electrical system on Airbus A320 work. So, before I start with this video, if you are new to my channel, I would like to request you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So, let's start with today's topic, the Airbus A320 electrical power system. A320 chapter number 24. This is how the electrical power system on A320 looks like. Now let us see how it works in a different case scenario. Both on the ground and in flight, A320 has 4 electrical power sources. On the ground, we have a ground power unit, GPU, generator driven by auxiliary power unit, APU, and generators 1 and 2 driven by engines 1 and 2 respectively. GPU is only available on the ground, and in flight we have the 4th power source named RAT, which is ram air turbine. Working of RAT will be explained separately in the near future. Let us consider the aircraft is on the ground and all 4 power sources are available. AC bus bar 1 will have the priority of receiving power first from generator 1. If it gets cut off, then it will receive from GPU and finally from APU. Similarly, AC bus bar 2 will have first priority from generator 2, then from GPU, and finally from APU. During the normal condition, the AC bus bar 1 receives AC 115 volts 400 Hz electrical power from generator 1. From there it transfers the power to the AC essential bus, where all the essential end users, normally called loads, will receive the AC power. The DC bus 1 receives the DC 28 volts electrical power from AC bus 1 via transformer rectifier unit 1. Transformer rectifier unit, or TRU, is a device that converts AC power to DC power. From DC bus 1 the power then transfers to DC battery bus for the storage of power in aircraft battery number 1. The power from DC bus 1 also transfers to the DC essential bus, where DC operated loads will receive the power for the operation. The right-hand side of the electrical power system works similar to the left-hand side as shown in the figure. If engine 1 is not running and other power sources are not available except engine 2, then AC bus 1 receives AC power from the generator driven by engine 2 through the bus tie controller. Now let us consider the second case, where transformer rectifier unit 1 fails. In this scenario, there is an additional TRU is provided, which is known as essential TRU. The DC essential bus receives the DC power from AC essential through essential transformer rectifier unit. If both TRU 1 and 2 fails, then in addition, your aircraft batteries will no longer receive the power to charge. Now let us see what happens when aircraft is in flight and we lose all electrical power generators. This situation is also known as an emergency, and pilots will try to land the aircraft as soon as possible in any of the airports available closer to the aircraft and meets emergency landing requirements. During this situation, there is an additional electrical power generator component which is known as RAT, an acronym for ram air turbine. The pilot will deploy the RAT, and to operate this, you need a minimum speed of at least 100 knots. The RAT has a hydraulic pump which provides hydraulic power as well as drives an electrical generator. This generator will provide 115 volts 400 Hz AC power to the AC essential bus and 28 volts DC to the DC essential bus, through essential TRU. Now let us see the worst case scenario, where all electrical generators fails and also the RAT. During this emergency situation, the aircraft batteries will provide the required electrical power. Battery 1 will provide the AC power to the AC essential bus by converting DC power to AC power, through a static converter. Battery 2 will directly provide the DC power to the DC essential bus. This is how the electrical power system works on Airbus A320 family aircrafts. So, that's all for today's topic. If you find this video informative, then please like, comment, and share it with others. And do not forget to like the page on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, and follow on Instagram. If you have any queries, You can comment or reach me out on aviation4gk@gmail.com. Check out www.aviation4gk.in for further services offered by us. Thank you again and see you in the next video.